Yeah. Right now, when we check the stomata of the plant, again I revise. This is the epidermis of a leaf, and the wax layer on it called cuticle, and photosynthetic cells, palisade mesophyll cells are these. And the palisade mesophyll cells, they have a lot of chloroplast, because photosynthesis mostly happen in palisade mesophyll cell. And beneath the palisade mesophyll cells, we have another type of cells. These cells are called spongy mesophyll cells. Now, spongy mesophyll cells, they have a less chloroplast, and then lower epidermis. So lower epidermis, we have a special structure called a stomata. Now, these cells again contain chloroplast. The two cells which actually make the stomata is called guard cell. This one, right? This is the guard cell.
Opens, right? Opens the stomata.
Yeah, stomata is actually window. It's just a hole. So this is the hole, stomata. This stomata is created by the guard cell, and guard cell are like this. They're bean-shaped cell, and they have a lot of chloroplast. Okay, the other cell is like this. That's a guard cell. So this one is the stomata. This is open, and when it want to closed, it just get this kind of a shape, and then it's closed. Closed. So this happened during the daytime. For example, if we take 6 a.m. in the morning and 6 p.m. In the evening, so the opening is like this. So daytime it's a completely open. So here it's a closed, and here it's a closed, and here's open. Now, why this happened? Because during the day, when the sunlight is very high, so sunlight is very high in the middle, then the photosynthesis is maximum level happening. So photosynthesis, one of the important thing is, here is the xylem and phloem, and this is xylem, this is phloem. Now xylem transport water, and water is coming from the roots to these cells to do photosynthesis, and oxygen is coming from this place to do photosynthesis, and carbon dioxide, a byproduct of photosynthesis, can release. Now it's all because of sunlight. When sunlight take place, when the sunlight intensity is higher, then the photosynthesis is higher. When the photosynthesis is higher, so it need a large amount of water, large amount of oxygen, large amount of carbon dioxide to release. As a result, the stomata open and the transpiration is high. So if I write it daytime, sunlight intensity high. When the sunlight intensity high, photosynthesis high. Photosynthesis, we need carbon dioxide, water, and it can make glucose and oxygen. Now, how this water comes to the leaf? Then the process is transpiration. Now you understand transpiration is also high.
So H2O comes to the plant, so it's transpiration.
Yeah. So transpiration is also high because leaf need a lot of water, and it comes from the root to the leaf. So transpiration is high. Okay, now the factors affecting transpiration we can list here. Right. What is transpiration? Transpiration is movement of water molecules as a water vapor from the
From
leaf
the leaves.
through the stomata to the atmosphere. So that's a transpiration. So transpiration is a water vapor. So the removal of or escape the water vapor, removal of water vapor. Now we understand water vapor is gas. When it forms vapor, it's a gas. Now,
Yeah.
obviously, one thing is sunlight. Because sunlight, well explained here, daytime sunlight intensity high, photosynthesis high, then the transpiration is high because it need water. So sunlight intensity. Then the next thing is sunlight intensity high, transpiration high. Then another one is wind.
Heat of wind.
We can explain that like this: when the wind blows, it takes water vapor away from the leaf. So when the wind level is going higher, then the transpiration is higher because it removes water vapor and new water molecule can come out. So wind high, transpiration high. Because wind,
So wind adding it.
it's like this. If the leaves very close to the leaf, now water vapor comes out. So this water vapor is here, and the wind comes. Wind can take this water vapor away. So then it's easy because it creates again a gap. So water can again move from this way. It's like a diffusion.
Yeah.
Diffusion is from high to low. So if the water vapor is low outside, then diffusion is fast. So something like that. Evaporation is fast. Inside water vapor is high. Outside water vapor is less because of the wind. It remove water vapor to the out of this
Atmosphere.
area, and then water can again come out. And the other
Yeah.
one is humidity.
Humidity. Yeah.
Now humidity is amount of water vapor in the atmosphere.
Atmosphere. Yeah.
So let's say atmosphere is full of water vapor, then there
Yeah.
is no gradient because outside water vapor is high. So then water releasing from the leaf reduce, water vapor also reduce. So then we can understand this: if the humidity is high, that means atmosphere has lot of water vapor. Then transpiration decrease.
Decreases.
Transpiration decrease. Okay, the last thing and another important thing, temperature. Now, temperature increasing,
The water molecules gain more kinetic energy in
yeah,
the
water
plant.
get more kinetic energy and they can move faster. So then transpiration
Yeah.
again increase because water molecules has more kinetic energy. Water molecules have more kinetic energy. I just write Ke for kinetic energy. And humidity is more physical. It just remove the water molecule and new water molecule can come. The sorry, wind. The humidity is too much water vapor stop, new water molecules come out. Wind is again same thing. It takes out the water vapor and then goes. Sunlight is the thing which we explain here during daytime. Photosynthesis high, then it need more water, then transpiration increase. So these are the factors affecting transpiration. Okay, can you copy this down?